First look, 2023 KTM 390 Adventure gets updates. Big bore, rally-ready ADVs may get all the headlines, but if the continuing popularity of the adventure bike segment has shown us anything over the last few years, it's that smaller and lighter models have increasing appeal in the real world. KTM's 390 Adventure regularly makes the short list of desirable small-bore models, and for 2023, this entry-level adventurer sees a series of minor updates to keep the momentum going. Just how minor are those tweaks? Well, the engine, frame and suspension on the 2023 390 Adventure are unaltered, so we're basically talking new spoke wheels and fresh black and orange paint and graphics, but given the already excellent foundation of the platform and the fact that it's been regularly, if incrementally, updated since its 2020 debut, that's not necessarily a huge letdown. On KTM's US website, the 2023 model is officially referred to as the 390 Adventure SW, for spoke wheel, so you might say it's a prime example of the Orange brand listening to customers who have long wondered when spokes would appear on the 390 to expand its off-road capability. To that end, the bike trades last year's 10-spoke cast wheels for lighter spoke wheels, still 19 inches in front and a 17-inch rear, with black anodized aluminum rims to better negotiate unplanned meetings with gnarled roots and sneaky stones out on the trail. The wheels also change the bike's look, but more importantly give the 390 a necessary edge for off-road work. To learn more about wire spoke wheel advantages in this regard, close behind on the bulleted list of highlights for the 2023 390 Adventure is what KTM calls a fresh look, inspired by the brand's vast rally racing heritage. In other words, it sees a new admittedly sharp-looking paint job contrasted with fresh graphics at various points on the bodywork. But other than those two items, the 2023 model carries on relatively unchanged, featuring the same 373 cubic centimeters single engine that's found in the KTM 390 Duke, stuffed into a lightweight steel trellis frame and outfitted for trail duty via robust suspension components front and rear. Although Euro 5 regulations dictated the last set of revisions on the 390 Adventure, the bike now sports two catalytic converters. In 2022, the model also received updated electronic rider aids, which included new street and off-road traction control modes to join the standard ride-by-wire, cornering ABS, linked off-road ABS, disengaged on the rear, reduced on the front, and a slipper clutch. Rider aid settings and the rest of usual info is all viewed on a 5-inch color TFT display. The 390 Adventure's trellis frame and subframe also return here, suspended by a WP Apex inverted fork and WP Apex shockout back, both adjustable, compression and rebound damping for the 43mm fork, which offers 6.7 inches of travel, spring preload and rebound for the 6.9-inch travel shock, with the exhaust system being optimized for prime centralization. Even on this compact adventure model, design cues continue to reference KTM's rally exploits, with the angular, insectoid-like front end's LED light remaining instantly recognizable. The bike also still treads on Continental TK70 tires and the windshield remains height adjustable, with two settings. Brake spec is likewise unchanged, featuring Grembos India made by Bree series with a 320mm disc and 4-piston caliper up front and a 230mm rear disc to handle stopping duties. As before, the two-tier seat can be removed to access storage space underneath, and a quickshifter is optional. KTM has also added even more options to its power parts accessories line should your 390 need some extra sparkling. For 2023, KTM has said the 390 Adventure will come in two options, the spoke wheel edition and the cast wheel version, in black/orange or blue/orange color scheme, though it's not clear whether the States and Canada will be getting both of those. For now, just the 2023 390 Adventure SW is listed on the US and Canadian websites. For the record, it looks like the UK gets both the spoke and cast wheel versions, with the cast one being slightly cheaper. As you'd expect, the US model's MSRP has increased a fair bit, and for 2023 lists at $7,399 as opposed to last year's cast wheel model which fetched $6,799. The KTM 390 Adventure SW is expected at dealerships in March of 2023.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like. Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.